This one metric is one of the most important metrics that anyone running ads should track, but yet hardly anyone is actually tracking it. It's called the hook rate, or a term more familiar to many as the thumb stop. This is the percentage of people who are seeing your ad and stopping the scroll. The hook rate can be defined as the number of 3-second views divided by the total number of impressions. That's just one of the 3 metrics that my buddy Jordan Menard says will allow you to tap into Facebook's highest quality audiences. Now, before we dig into that, for those of you who don't know me, my name is Rich Schefren, and I'm known as the guru to the gurus because I've coached people like Ryan Deiss, Russell Brunson, Todd Brown, Mike Filsaime, and many others. I also wrote the first lead magnet online, the Internet Business Manifesto that was downloaded millions of times, in addition to inventing the automated webinar. And every week on my show, Steal Our Winners, I'm bringing in our industry's top experts to do in-depth workshops twice a week that most business owners pay tens of thousands of dollars to get access to. And I upload them into a library that you can get access to at strategicprofits.com. This is content that you will not find anywhere else, especially on YouTube. Like this episode, walking you through the top 3 metrics that will allow you to tap into the highest quality traffic that Facebook has to offer at the cheapest price that they're willing to sell it for.
The magic numbers are a phrase we use internally to identify 3 key engagement metrics that, when met, seem to radically drop the cost of traffic while simultaneously earning the highest quality traffic. We've seen this happen again and again and again to where we now have a phrase for it. The magic numbers are 3-second scroll stop higher than 40%, 3-second scroll stop percentage higher than 40. What this number is, and you can see the equation for it right here, 3-second video view plays divided by impressions. So the amount of 3-second video views that your ad gets divided by impressions is this number. And this is a custom metric that you actually have to make in Facebook to find it out. It's not just like something you can select on the dashboard options. And you can make it here just by making a custom action and writing this equation.
So that number is basically that greater than 40% when scrolling stop for 3 seconds?
So here's an example in real time. This is from September 1st to September 7th of this year. We tested everything, every type of dynamic, CBO, ABO, static, manual bid, everything you could possibly test. And this was with all of the creative that the brand had given us. The 3-second scroll stop you can see here with 3-second V was 21%. They were yielding unique outbound click costs for $2.94. At that point, it just wouldn't work. So the equation in action. Now, the only difference here, exact same lander, exact same offer, exact same product, exact same targeting, exact same audience. The only difference is creative. We made new creative and we uploaded it. 3-second video view, 57% for a unique outbound click cost of 63 cents. The 3-second video view percentage went from 21 to 57 for a 271% increase. It went from $2.94 per outbound click to 63 cents, a 78% reduction in traffic cost, right? Because the magic numbers all lined up, everything here was 100% on point. Now, when you have the metrics like this and you have traffic costs that are this much lower, your margin for error is so much more forgiving. And we were able to scale because all of the numbers on the front end worked. And so the rest of the equation of Facebook ads, the economics of it worked out because traffic cost was so much lower.
Watch the full episode on the top 3 metrics that will allow you to tap into the highest quality traffic for the very cheapest price that Facebook has to offer for free by clicking the link below.